Okay, so right now I'm actually testing this to see how this is actually going to come out. I am talking and I'm going to open up my photo booth right here because I don't know of another way to actually get me in. Yeah, so we can go ahead and do that. And I have my phone here. I can go and I can tap on items on my phone, and I'm going to use my background here. Let's see. I'm just going to choose a regular old wallpaper. Let's choose wallpaper. Let's see, we're going to use something that's just there we go. That works. I like that one better. Okay. And I just did that, so it wouldn't clash with everything else. Actually, let's check another. It doesn't matter what color it is. Okay. I'm going to stop this really quick. Because the movie's not recording, it was just there. And I'm going to take this off. Take my phone out of its case. Okay, and now we're just going to do a test run. So